I have an exciting tutorial for all of you who want to make short videos that are bound to captivate your audience. We'll be combining the power of ChatGPT and CapCut to unlock your creativity and create stunning videos that tell your unique stories. First things first, let's dive into ChatGPT, the incredible language model developed by OpenAI. This AI-powered tool will help us generate engaging scripts for our short videos. Simply type in your prompt or topic and watch as ChatGPT works its magic. Let's say our video is about the art of cooking. We can ask ChatGPT for some creative ideas on how to make our cooking video more exciting and appealing. Look at that! In just a matter of seconds, ChatGPT has provided us with a range of ideas to make our cooking video truly stand out. It's like having a brainstorming session with an AI assistant. Now that we have our script, it's time to bring our ideas to life visually. This is where CapCut comes in. CapCut is a powerful video editing app that offers a wide array of tools and features to help you create professional-looking videos right from your smartphone. Let's import our video clips into CapCut. You can either shoot your own footage or use royalty-free stock videos available online in some websites such as Faceless. Once you have your clips ready, simply import them into CapCut's timeline. Next, let's add the script we generated with ChatGPT as text overlay. Choose a stylish font, position the text where you want it, and adjust the size and color to make it visually appealing. This will help convey your message and engage your viewers. To make our video more dynamic and polished, let's apply transitions and effects. CapCut offers a variety of transitions to smoothly transition between clips, and you can also add effects like filters or color adjustments to give your video a professional touch. Music and sound effects play a crucial role in setting the method for your video. CapCut provides a wide range of royalty-free music and sound effects that you can add to your video. Choose the perfect soundtrack or sound effects that align with the tone and theme of your video. Once you're satisfied with your video, take a moment to review it and make any necessary adjustments. It's time to export your masterpiece. CapCut allows you to save your video in high quality and easily share it on various platforms. And there you have it. By combining the creative scripting capabilities of ChatGPT with the powerful editing features of CapCut, you can create visually stunning short videos that will leave a lasting impact on your audience. Remember, the key to making compelling videos is to experiment, have fun, and let your creativity flow. So go ahead and unleash your imagination with ChatGPT and CapCut. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, keep creating and have a blast making your own short videos.